Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the battery saver, and here you can switch it. You can also set it to turn out automatically at 23 on 15 battery percent. You can set it as you like, and you can also switch power saving mode here at the upper bar and access its settings by holding your finger on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.